Nums. Today, the Bumble Nums are going to make Gushing Green Grape Juice. But what's the secret ingredient? 9 bunches of green grapes. The Bumble Nums are in the vineyard waiting for the grapes to turn green. You might as well dance while you wait. Right, Humble?
Yum!
How about you, Grumble and Stumble?
Yum!
See that, Bumble Nums? The grapes are turning green. You know what that means. They're ripe and ready to pick.
Yum!
Now remember, Bumble Nums, we need 9 bunches of green grapes. Go grab them! Aren't you going to go up too, Grumble?
Yum!
Oh, you're going to catch the green grapes. Great plan! One. 2.
Yum!
3. 4.
Yum!
5. 6. 7.
Yum!
You just need 2 more bunches of green grapes, Bumble Nums. Super swinging, Bumble Nums! Let's get these green grapes back to the kitchen. You made it, Bumble Nums! Do you have all 9 bunches of green grapes? Great! Now that we have the secret ingredient to make our gushing green grape juice, it's time for the cooking countdown! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bumble Nums, you've done it again! Now, take a great big gulp of that gushing green grape juice. How does it taste, Bumble Nums?